Hello viewers, welcome to Vamsi's My School. Learning is our passion. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో ఏంటని ఎదురు చూస్తున్నారు కదా పిల్లలు. మరేం లేదండి, మనకి సెప్టెంబర్ మంత్ వచ్చేసింది, టైం తక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం రెగ్యులర్ సిలబస్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. సోషల్ స్టడీస్ ఇదిగో ఇక్కడ మీరు చూస్తున్నారు కదా సోషల్ స్టడీస్ బుక్ని. ఈ ఈ ఈ బుక్ మన 10th క్లాస్ అండి. 10th క్లాస్ సిలబస్ మనం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. లెసన్ 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. అయితే ఈ రోజు ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ క్లాస్ మాత్రమే చెప్తాను. రేపొద్దున కంటెంట్ పూర్తిగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను, అంటే నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ వీడియోస్లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. సో చిల్డ్రన్, ఆర్ యు రెడీ టు లిసన్? ఓకే సార్, రైట్. సో this is our 10th class textbook. Children, I want to tell once again I want to introduce the content of the first lesson especially, and I want to give some explanation about the textbook which you are going to use it for your education. Okay, so please observe QR code on this. Is it visible to you? Are you observing? Yeah, so this code you can use it for Diksha app. I will show you how to install. I'll give a link for that. So are you following, children? See here the website, all the details they have given. Okay, so this app will enables you, it will give all the content in a picturized, visualized manner. Okay, if it is India map, all the relief features, geographical conditions, extensions, everything, it will come in a picture wise description, so that you will have a very clear cut understanding of the lesson. Okay, and once you see, visualize, then it will automatically remembered by you for a long period of time, especially at the time of examination. You can recollect it and you can produce on the paper. Okay, fine. So it is about the app. Once again I am showing you. Fine. So in your textbooks it is available. Go to this page. Okay, then once we go academic, see here, academic standards. Are you following, children? This is page 8 connection. So once again I am showing you closely. Okay, right. So here academic standards are there. When you complete the lesson, once the lesson explanation part completed, then afterwards the question answers will come. Yes or no? So that question answers will come according to the academic standards. So end of the lesson there are certain questions you have to prepare for the 10th class public examination point of view. Okay, so remaining all the questions, bits and everything will come definitely, but these are the benchmark, that means guaranteed. Okay, children. Now here you see conceptual understanding, reading the textbook, information skills, reflection on the contemporary issues, mapping skills, and appreciation and sensitivity. So these are the 6 academic standards which are available in our textbooks. All the subjects are having the same academic standards, maybe differs in the contextual base, but here we have to understand, children, very clearly. Nook and corner of the textbook you have to understand. Your benchmark to follow is your textbook. Understand? Next to that, whatever extra material you have, whatever resources you have, you can use it. But the basic thing what you have to use for the social studies is textbook only. Okay, children, fine. So here if you go through paper 1 and paper 2, you know in the 9th class itself you got the understanding that first paper and second paper for social studies, and here you can see here. Are you observing, children? Yeah, is it clear to you? Okay, are you ready with your textbook first of all? Yeah, I forgot to ask you, get ready with the textbook and get one pencil. Okay, fine, right. So here I am showing you first one, India relief features, and second one, ideas for the development. See, children, paper 1 contains geography and economics. Everybody knew that. So here people and settlement, people migration, these are all 12 lessons we have. 12 lessons in paper 1 and 12 lessons in paper 2. So I want to give a clarification, otherwise explanation for first paper first lesson and second paper first lesson simultaneously, so that both papers we could finish in a very easy method, and also in a very less time, in less time. Okay, so fine. So here let us go for India relief features. I am turning the page. So here QR codes are given. See, For every matter and for every picture they have given QR codes. You can use your Android mobiles, scan it. Once you download that Diksha app is there, no? If you utilize that one, this all the descriptions are available in that, so that you will be having a visualized picture. Children, see here we have some subheadings. See, are you observing it? One second, let me show you. Location is here, location. Okay, so is it clear or not? Please adjust now. So I am making it as a selfie, not selfie, but and geographical background. Then major relief divisions, the Himalayas, and also Indo-Gangetic plain is there, and peninsular plateau, the Thar desert, coastal plains and islands. So these are the major relief features of the our country, and how the country, how the total land, the earth completely formed, and how many, that what is the steps of formation of our earth, especially Gondwana and Pangaea. These are all things we are going to discuss in our coming classes. Okay, so first of all, you while listening to this video, I suggest you to get one notebook with you. Okay, so one map pointing book is compulsory with you, one textbook is compulsory, one running notes is compulsory. Why I am telling this is, while listening to this video, you can prepare certain notes roughly, because this is a video class, so that you can pause it and listen again and again and again if you do not understand. But it will not be possible with the live class. So better utilize the video classes which I am giving to you, and you can pause it and listen it again and again if you have any doubt. Okay, so if you do not have any doubt, just follow, and after reading the textbook, the context, and listening to my class, afterwards you can go through the textbook one more time and running notes one more time. So that what will happen, the simple things and small bits also you can recognize, and you can put it in your memory for a long time. So here you observe, children. Yeah, here you see certain box information. This colored one, are you observing? This colored boxes are there, no? Yeah, this is also, see once. Yeah, these boxes are also very informative, and maps are ultimate. Okay, maps are ultimate. You have to see, because mapping skills is also one of the academic standard. Don't think that map pointing is an extra activity. Sorry to say this, it is included activity of social studies. If you are keenly observing the map pointing skills, and if you are keep on thoroughly practicing the map pointing, then only you can enjoy the subject. Literally I am telling you. I am not telling you to for the marks purpose. Of course marks will come definitely, but you can enjoy certain map pointing skills. If you possess, you can enjoy how to make map pointing. If you are tasted that every day, even every day, I suggest children, 10th class and 9th class children, even 8th class, those who are listening to these classes, kindly remember one thing. 5 points. You take either Andhra Pradesh or India or world. Any you take in a periodical manner. So any map, if you take it, every day 5 pointings you have to practice. Practice, because if you practice every day 5 map pointings, you will never forget. Even in your sleep you can point out correctly. So correct exact location, exact mapping is very much possible if you practice every day. At least this is month of September almost. Don't think that many children will be having such a lenience. They'll simply pass their time. Our exams also will be cancelled, our exams also will be postponed, or we will be getting through without examination, we will be passed out. No, sorry to say this, this may happen, may not be happen also. So that you have to be ready with the subject moreover. Okay, so I am not wasting your time, children. These box questions are very important. Here you can see major relief divisions in these 6 physical divisions we have. Are you observing? I am putting a little bit close. Okay, right. So major relief divisions we have, and in the box also some matter they have given. We will do that. And here you can see following hill ranges every hill range, there is a box. This like a question type, children. So these answers you should give. After reading the matter, you should give the answers for this. You don't depend on teachers that somebody should come and help us so that we will fill up this. No. After reading that, you have to find out the answer for the questions which are given in the box. Maybe that may come as a bit for you, maybe 1 mark answer for you, maybe any 2 marks answer, like that. Okay. So any kind of question may arise for you, so that you can be able to answer that. Okay. Next point I want to tell you, see this picture, children. Your page number 10, Peninsular Plateau, Ghats and Hills. See this map? Are you following? Yeah. See this map? Is it visible to you? Is it okay? Yeah. Here they have some given some shadings. Do you observe? Some shadings they have given. So these see, in your examination point of view also, you have to be careful while the area which is going to be, which are covered in this point of section. That means the plateaus and ghats and hills. Wherever the plateaus are there, wherever the ghats are there, hills are there, they have given very clear-cut description here and there. Understand? So here with different colors they have mentioned, no? That colors you have to remember. That is not colors remembrance, places where extends, from which area to which area it was extended, and they have given rivers also. See here, okay, India now it is not an outline map, it's a what is that, rivers map. So all the whichever rivers which they are covered, okay, so that also you can remember. So once you remember the rivers, you can automatically locate the area. Okay, do you understand what I am telling? Right. So here some kind of coastal plains we have, we are almost Andhra Pradesh, we have a very long coastline, and coastal and other islands also, and improve your learning certain AS5, ASC, once I'll show you. Yeah, here. So here improve your learning is there, certain points I have given, AS1, AS2, AS3, AS5. I told in the beginning itself, academic standards. So you have to notice these points according to the academic standards they have given. For example, I'll tell you here, on an outline map of India, show the following. Here you see, improve your learning in these questions. Majorly, see in the 7th question and 8th question. See 8th question, these are all questions for you. 7th question and 8th question, this depends upon the map pointing. That's what I am telling. So here this map pointing comes under AS5. So here also this comes under the islands formed due to the volcanic eruption. 1 mark answer. This is understanding question, so that AS1 they have given. So children, you don't no need to get so much of confused of the by seeing the length of the lesson. Many people do the mistakes. They will count. I'll tell you. Children, you are very smart, I know. See how many pages. 10 pages, my goodness, this lesson we can't read. 12 pages, no, this one also. So lesson must not be a single one paper answer or one paper lesson or 2 paper lesson will not come to you, because you came to 10th standard. So obviously you will get certain complete information about any topic. So India really features, this is only an introduction class, it did not start the class yet. So tomorrow with board, everything, all the settings, we will start our class. So children, you have to, social studies is very important subject. You can't escape from that. Don't think that already some papers are teared, I hope. So paste it. So the textbook is not at all winded up till. So don't make it a wind up. So keep it with you very carefully. Many times these questions, whatever you are learning now, it will come up to the levels after your graduation and engineering, other graduations. You can appear for your civil services and other examinations also. These bits, and this is comes under stock GK. So this is very informative videos we are going to give. This textbook you don't leave anywhere. We have to compare. Okay, compare with the present trend, present what is going on in our society or in our nation with the textual knowledge. Do you understand what I am telling? Yeah, you have to apply the textual knowledge. You have to apply in the present society, otherwise present our state and country. Here I am winding up my class, my introduction class to you. So you get ready with your map pointing books, textbooks, and one running notes, pencil, eraser, and pen thoroughly, sharply. Okay, so please, if you like this video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe it. Okay, ring the bell button, click on the bell button, so that you will get notification whenever I post a video. You will be definitely getting a notification, so that you can watch immediately before everybody watches. Okay, shall I take leave? Signing off, your Padmaja Miss. Thank you.